Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this beautiful BMW 1 Series 1.5 118i M Sport. Now this vehicle has currently done 18,591 miles and it's finished in the colour Alpine White. It does come with one previous BMW service. It's a gorgeous looking hatchback. It does sit very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 380 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,200 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your gorgeous black leather interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you will find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. To the left of the steering wheel you've got your cruise control and speed limiter. To the right, controls for adjusting the infotainment system. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to different driving data. You can see the vehicle's mileage. You also have your trip computer, digital speedometer. There's also access to your navigation, audio and a plain screen. At the top of the dashboard you'll find your infotainment screen. Now this can be controlled using the dial in the center console. Also it is touchscreen so you can use it either way, whichever you prefer. Now the system does come with DAB radio and there's also USB connectivity along with Bluetooth, allowing you to play your own music. On your communication page you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. The system also comes with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. In the vehicle menu here you've got driving information. There's also your vehicle status where you can see your tyre pressure monitor, engine oil level as well as the vehicle's service requirements. Here you can also see the service history. You can see the one BMW recorded service that was carried out there. In your settings you've got all different vehicle settings available to you here, from the vehicle's lighting to your driver assist features. The vehicle comes with front collision warning as well as the lane departure warning to keep you and other road users safe. You also have your door settings. There's also ambient lighting throughout the interior with a selection of colours to choose from. You can add your own personal touch. You can see the ambient lighting there, it looks extremely beautiful. Moving on, in the apps page you've got some installed applications as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to easily pair your smartphone up with the system and use compatible applications direct from your phone on the screen. You have the installed apps there from the App Store. You also have front and rear parking sensors to make parking super easy. Down below you have your dual zone automatic climate control, which is very easy to use. Also featuring heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those colder days. In the center console you've got your USB connectivity, 2 cup holders and your 6-speed manual gear selector.
RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.